What happens when your YouTube income goes from thousands of dollars per month to potentially losing everything? Today, I'm going to share two real stories that highlight one of the biggest mistakes creators make on this platform. And more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid it. If you've been depending solely on Google AdSense revenue, this video could literally save your channel and your financial future as well. Stick around because I'm going to share 40 plus ways to monetize your content that has nothing to do with Google's AdSense program. Let me tell you about two creators. You probably have heard about them or seen them, DoorDash and Dante Launder. Now, I'm not sharing their stories to bash them, but because there are valuable lessons here that every creator needs to understand, I have to share their stories. Both of these creators were riding high on their AdSense earnings. DoorDash would regularly show her YouTube analytics on camera and show how much money she was making, even pinning comments about her revenue numbers and sometimes posting it on her community post. Dante London took it a little further by filming himself with thousands of cash in hand, talking about giving his mother $10,000 and his wife $2,000 for shopping sprees. All of this filmed in their cars, showing off the lifestyle that YouTube AdSense was providing. And I understand it. I get it. When the first big check comes in, because I got one, it feels incredible. You want to share that success with the whole world. But here's what happened next. Both creators are falling on extremely hard times. We're talking about potential evictions, car repossessions, potentially, the whole 9 yards. Now, before we dive into solutions, let's understand what went wrong here. It wasn't that they were making money. Sorry. That's what we all want to do, right? The issue was threefold. First, they put all their eggs in one basket. AdSense became their entire business model. When that revenue stream got disrupted, whether through algorithm changes, demonetization, or declining views, they had no backup plan. Secondly, they were living at or above their peak earning level. When you're making $10,000 a month, it's tempting to spend $10,000 a month, tongue twister. But YouTube income is volatile. I learned that too. What goes up can come down just as fast. Third, and this is crucial, they weren't treating their channel like a business. A real business has multiple revenue streams, emergency funds, and sustainable growth strategies. Here's the thing about flashing your AdSense earnings. I just don't like that. It's not just about being humble or modest. It's about understanding that AdSense should never be your primary business model. That's the bottom line. It should be the cherry on top, not the entire sundae. I've always believed that if AdSense disappeared tomorrow, your channel should still be profitable. That's not just smart business. That's survival in the creator economy. The creators who last for a long time, the ones who build real wealth, who create lasting businesses, they understand that YouTube is a platform to build relationships and showcase expertise as well. The money comes from leveraging those relationships in multiple ways so that you don't have to reach the stage where you're begging. Let me share some of the strategies that could have saved DoorDash and Dante London's channels, and it can still save it. And more importantly, how you can start implementing them right now for your channel. The biggest missed opportunity for both creators was digital products. Think about it. While they were showing off AdSense earnings that could disappear overnight, they could have been building assets that generate income forever, even while they were sleeping. Here's what I mean. Instead of getting paid pennies per view from AdSense, what if one product sale could equal the revenue stream from thousands of views? That's the power of diversification. Digital products are beautiful because you create them once and sell them over and over again. Well, here's the thing. Excuse me. Most creators think they need to create courses or write books. That's just scratching the surface. There are income streams hiding in plain sight that most creators never even consider. Because I'm sure DoorDash and Dante London didn't consider those. Things you're probably already creating for your own content that your audience desperately needs. I've identified over 40 plus different ways creators can monetize beyond AdSense. And I'm going to share the complete breakdown with you in just a few minutes. But first, let me show you why the service-based model could have been their immediate lifeline. Now, if Dante London was making enough to give away thousands, imagine if he had positioned himself as an expert who could command premium prices for what he knows. And if both want to really make money without Google AdSense, they could sign up with Creative Fabrica. Let me explain. On Creative Fabrica, they will have access to editable digital products that they can make their own and sell on their channel or on other platforms. I will leave a link for Creative Fabrica in the description because you can do that too. The service model gives you immediate cash flow while you're building other revenue streams. It's also recession proof because there's always demand for expertise, always. But here's what most creators get wrong, including the two stories I shared. They undervalue their time and knowledge. They think just because they think that they are just a YouTuber. Let's just say that. They can charge professional rates, but they can. Your YouTube credibility actually makes you more valuable than traditional consultants in many cases. You have proof of your ability to communicate by being on YouTube, by having a YouTube channel, by building audiences and getting results. There are several high-value service models that fit perfectly with content creation, and some of them can generate more in 1 month than most creators make from Google AdSense in a whole year. The key is positioning yourself correctly and understanding which services align with your content and your expertise. This isn't about becoming a different person. It's about monetizing the skills you already have. Here's where many creators leave serious money on the table. They don't think strategically about partnerships and scalable income streams. Both DoorDash and Dante London have audiences that already trust them. That trust is currency, but they were only cashing it into Google AdSense. Smart creators understand that their audience's attention and trust can be leveraged in multiple ways. Simultaneously, too, we're talking about income streams that can scale without you trading more time for money. There are partnership opportunities hiding in every niche in plain sight that most creators never even consider. Companies are literally looking for creators like you and DoorDash and Dante London to promote their products. But it goes way beyond simple affiliate marketing. Yes, it does. I'm talking about revenue streams where you're not dependent on algorithms, ad rates, or any platform's decision about your content. Income that comes from the relationships and reputation you have built on your channel. Now, let's continue. The most successful creators I know have built businesses where their YouTube channel is just the marketing engine, not the main source of income. Now, if you're ready to think bigger than just replacing your AdSense income, if you want to build real wealth through your content creation, there are advanced strategies that most creators never even know exist. These are the methods that separate creators who make a living from creators who build generational wealth. We're talking about leveraging your audience and expertise in ways that create truly passive income streams. Some of these strategies can generate 6 or 7 figures annually. I'm not kidding you, but they require a different mindset about what your YouTube channel really is. It's not just an entertainment platform, no, or even a business. It's a wealth building vehicle and a business that builds wealth. The most successful creators eventually become entrepreneurs who happen to start on YouTube, not just YouTubers trying to make money. And that's what DoorDash and Dante were doing. But here's the thing. You don't need to implement dozens of strategies. The creators who build sustainable wealth focus on 3 to 5 income streams and execute them exceptionally well. And that's the difference. The complete breakdown of all these strategies, from beginner friendly to advanced wealth techniques, that's what I've put together for you in my comprehensive monetization bundle. Now, for creators like DoorDash and Dante London, who are facing difficulties, it's not too late. Here's what they could do starting today. And I hope someone will see this video and share it with them. First, they need to audit their existing audience. What problems do their viewers have that they could solve? That's where the revenue opportunities live. Secondly, they should start, and if that's you, I'm talking to you too, start with quick wins. A simple coaching offer, a basic digital product, or affiliate partnerships could generate immediate income. Third, diversify gradually. Don't try to launch 10 revenue streams all at once. Pick 2 to 3 that align with your strengths and build systematically. Fourth, reinvest wisely. When money starts coming in from these new streams, income streams that is, resist the urge to upgrade the lifestyle immediately. Build stability first. Here's the formula that successful creators use. 40% content creation, 30% business development, 20% community building, and 10% administration. Most creators spend 90% of their time on content and wonder why their business isn't stable. The content is just the vehicle. The business is what pays the bills. Also, establish this rule. Never depend on any single income source for more than 40% of your total revenue. In this way, if one stream disappears, you're inconvenienced, not devastated. If this video has opened your eyes to new possibilities, I want to help you implement these strategies properly, the right way. And so I've created a comprehensive bundle that I mentioned called the Ultimate YouTube Monetization System that breaks down every strategy that I mentioned today and even more, many more, that no other YouTuber has ever mentioned here on this platform. They are underground secrets that I discovered doing deep research. I'm good at this thing, research. Here's what makes this different from other guides that people put in other digital guides. It doesn't just give you ideas. It includes step-by-step instructions for choosing the right digital products for your audience, complete creation templates, and something most creators struggle with. And guess what that is? A database of 30 affiliate networks that are actively looking for creators to promote their digital products. So you have people waiting for you to sell your products. This isn't just theory, it's a complete implementation system that you can start using immediately. And I've created that. The link will be in the description. And because I believe every creator deserves financial security beyond AdSense, I'm making this available at a price that's less than what most people spend on coffee in a month. Don't let AdSense be your only path to success. Please don't. Your audience, your expertise, and your creativity are worth so much more than what Google decides to pay you per 1,000 views. This stories of creators who have lost everything aren't cautionary tales about YouTube being unstable. No, they are only reminders that any business built on a single income source is vulnerable. Your channel has incredible potential beyond ad revenue, and you must believe that. The question isn't whether you can make money without AdSense, it's how much money you're going to leave on the table by not diversifying your income streams. What's the first revenue stream that you're going to implement? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll personally respond with specific advice for your situation. If this video helped you see new possibilities for your channel, smash that like button and subscribe for more business strategies that actually work and underground secrets that are going to keep coming up. And pick up my digital product bundle where I share the 40+ epic ways to make money on YouTube without the AdSense program. And again, in the bundle is also an ebook with 30 websites where affiliates are waiting to sell your digital product for you. And the other ebook is step-by-step instructions on how to pick your idea and create your digital product. And make sure to sign up with Creative Fabrica from the link in the description. It will make it so much easier for you to create a digital product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.